Hello, and welcome to C# 7 and .NET Core 2 Blueprints course. My name is Fedor Suzanovets. I'm a senior software developer, and I specialize in .NET, while C# is my main programming language. I have been programming professionally for a number of years, and throughout my career, I had an opportunity to work in several different industries, which included water engineering, environmental, retail, finance, government, and some others. Every single one of the industries I worked for used .NET as a programming platform and used C# as its main programming language. This is why, right at the beginning of my career, I have realized that there are plenty of well-paid opportunities in .NET, especially if you use C# as the language. This is why I've decided to specialize in this technology, and this is one of the reasons why I'm so excited to pass this knowledge on to you. In this course, I will be teaching you specifically about features that are specific to C# 7 and .NET Core 2. You may ask, why C# 7 and why .NET Core 2 when C# 8 and .NET Core 3 are about to be released? Well, the truth is, those features that have been added in these specific versions of the language and the programming platform are here to stay. Therefore, even if you do intend to use C# 8 and .NET Core 3, you will still get tremendous benefit from the material in this course. If you're not familiar with .NET or C#, you may ask, why these particular technologies? Why not Java, for example? After all, Java is platform independent, while .NET is tied to Windows, right? Wrong. .NET used to be traditionally tied to Windows in its older version, which was called .NET Framework. However, .NET Core can be run on any operating system, especially Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. This, in fact, is one of the features that will be demonstrated clearly in this course. As well as teaching you about the features of C# 7 and .NET Core 2, I will be talking about some auxiliary technologies that are extremely useful. For example, I will be showing you how to use Docker, which is a system that allows you to containerize components of your application. So, for example, instead of having a virtual machine with whole operating system running just to run a single application, you can have your application in container that only has those components of operating system that are needed to run your application. There are some other interesting features that you're about to discover. So, let's dive in. I hope you enjoy the ride.